Seniors, can't sleep through the night? Drink this instead of water for instant deep sleep. Before I share the full story about 5 simple drinks that can change how millions of seniors sleep every night, let me introduce myself a bit. I'm a health expert with over 20 years working closely with older adults facing sleep problems, muscle loss, and health challenges. I've seen so many people struggle needlessly just because they didn't know the right things to do before bedtime. This is exactly why I created this channel, to bring clear, trustworthy health information designed specifically for seniors. I want you to understand your body better, protect your health, and live strong and well alongside your family for many years to come. Today, I promise to guide you through 5 drinks backed by science that can help you sleep deeply and support your muscles overnight without waking up tired or stiff. These drinks aren't just about sleep. They're about helping your muscles recover, your nerves calm down, and your body heal naturally as you rest. I understand how it feels. Everyone wants to stay healthy, fight aging, and prevent illness. But sometimes, what we think is good for us actually causes more harm. And I don't want you to become one of those who suffer because of wrong habits. If you agree that these tips are important, type 1 in the comments if you've ever had trouble sleeping or muscle aches at night, or 0 if you haven't. I'll read every response and share more advice if you need it. And don't forget, if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel. That way you'll get more trusted, easy-to-understand health tips made just for seniors like you. 1. Why water isn't helping you sleep after 60. You've probably heard it 100 times. Drink more water. And yes, during the day, water is essential. But after 60, drinking plain water before bed might be doing the exact opposite of what you want. It doesn't help you fall asleep, it doesn't calm your body, and it certainly doesn't help you stay asleep through the night. The truth is, plain water has 0 nutrients to support your nervous system. It won't relax your muscles, it won't ease your mind, and when your body is already more sensitive because of age, that glass of water can turn into a 3 a.m. bathroom trip that pulls you right out of precious deep sleep. You might not know this, but as we age, our antidiuretic hormone, the one that helps us hold on to fluids during sleep, starts to drop. At the same time, our melatonin levels fade little by little each year, and our bladder becomes more reactive. That means even just a few sips of water before bed can wake you up right in the middle of the night. And the worst part? It's not always easy to fall back asleep afterward. But here's something no one tells you. The problem isn't that you're drinking, it's what you're drinking. You don't need to stop having a bedtime drink, you just need to switch to the right kind. There are nighttime drinks that are gentle, warming, and actually help you sleep. Drinks that give your body exactly what it needs to shift from being alert to deeply relaxed. Some of them contain magnesium to release muscle tension. Some have glycine to calm your nervous system. Others include tryptophan, which your body turns into melatonin to support your natural sleep cycle. These aren't pills. They're simple, nourishing drinks that help your body stay hydrated in a smarter way, without waking up your bladder too early or shocking your system. They don't spike your blood sugar, they don't chill your core, and best of all, you don't need much. Just 1 small cup, taken at the right time, can help you stay asleep longer and wake up feeling truly rested. The 5 drinks I'm about to share aren't just bedtime tricks. Each one has ingredients that actually help older adults fall into deeper sleep, wake up fewer times during the night, and even feel stronger and clearer in the morning. So if water hasn't been working for you at night, you're not alone, and there's a better way. 2. Warm, unsweetened almond milk. If you're someone who struggles to fall asleep or keeps waking up through the night, this might surprise you. One of the simplest and gentlest drinks that can help is a small cup of warm, unsweetened almond milk. Many people assume that only cow's milk has sleep benefits, but for older adults, especially those over 60 who may be more sensitive to lactose, almond milk is often the better choice. And we're not just talking about switching for comfort. Almond milk actually carries nutrients that your body needs in order to relax, reset, and enter deep, natural sleep. What makes almond milk such a powerful sleep drink comes down to 2 key things: Magnesium and tryptophan. Magnesium helps quiet down your nervous system, calming the racing thoughts and small muscle twitches that can keep you awake. Tryptophan, on the other hand, is an amino acid that your body uses to create serotonin. And serotonin is more than just the feel-good chemical. It's also a building block for melatonin, the hormone that tells your brain it's time to sleep. Together, these two compounds help your body ease into rest mode, and the research backs it up. In a 2014 study published in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences, adults who drank almond milk twice a day for 2 weeks saw real improvements. They slept deeper, stayed asleep longer, and woke up less often during the night. In fact, their deep sleep time increased by an average of 22 minutes, and anyone who's been stuck in light, restless sleep knows how much of a difference that can make. What's also great is how easy it is to prepare. You don't need a blender or any fancy ingredients. Just warm up about half a cup, 120 to 150 milliliters, of unsweetened almond milk. Make sure it's plain with no added sugar or flavors. Drink it slowly, about 60 to 90 minutes before bed. You can even add a small pinch of cinnamon if you want. It doesn't just add flavor, it also supports better circulation, which can help your body wind down more easily. This isn't about drinking a lot, it's about drinking smart. A small, warm cup like this can help soothe your nervous system, lower stress in the body, and tell your brain that it's finally safe to sleep. If you've never tried it before, give it a chance tonight. Sometimes, the tiniest changes, like swapping water for a warm almond milk, can be the turning point toward better, deeper sleep after 60. And 3. Chamomile tea. If your mind tends to stay busy at night, thinking about the day, worrying about little things, or just refusing to slow down, then this next drink might be exactly what you need. A warm, gentle cup of chamomile tea may seem simple, but for many older adults, it can be the difference between tossing and turning or falling into real restful sleep. You don't need sleeping pills. You don't need harsh chemicals. Sometimes one calming drink is enough to quiet the noise in your head and let your body finally relax. What makes chamomile tea so effective is a special natural compound called apigenin. It's a type of flavonoid that binds to GABA receptors in your brain. These are the same receptors that reduce anxiety and help regulate your sleep cycle. When apigenin activates them, it sends a powerful message to your body. It's time to unwind. Your thoughts begin to slow, your heart rate settles, and your brain starts to shift into a state of rest. And it's not just theory. There's real science behind it. In a 2015 study published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing, women over 65 who drank chamomile tea each evening for just 2 weeks experienced major improvements in their sleep. They fell asleep 16 minutes faster on average and had 30% fewer awakenings during the night. For anyone who's been lying awake for hours or waking up every couple of hours, that kind of change can feel life-changing. And the best part? Chamomile tea is caffeine-free, non-habit-forming, and incredibly easy to prepare. Just steep 1 bag of dried chamomile in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes, then let it cool a little so it's warm. Not too hot. Drink it slowly, about 45 to 60 minutes before bedtime. If you want to enhance its soothing effect, you can add a slice of ginger or a few drops of natural vanilla. But avoid sweeteners, especially sugar or honey, if you're watching your blood sugar or trying to keep your digestion calm before bed. Chamomile tea works best as part of a relaxing nighttime routine. Think of it as a gentle signal to your nervous system that the day is over and it's safe to rest. If you've been struggling with a restless mind or nighttime anxiety, try a cup tonight. You might be surprised by how something so simple can help you sleep more deeply and wake up feeling truly refreshed. I want to take a moment to thank everyone who's still watching and caring about your health right now. It shows you're serious about making positive changes, and that means a lot. If you've made it this far, you're already one step closer to better sleep and stronger muscles. Keep going, and don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. I'm here to support you every step of the way. 4. Lightly warmed coconut water. If you've ever woken up in the middle of the night because of leg cramps, a sudden urge to pee, or just a strange restlessness in your body, your electrolyte levels might be the reason. And that's where lightly warmed coconut water comes in. Most people think of coconut water as a summer drink, something cool and refreshing after a workout. But when it's used the right way, especially at night, it can be a powerful tool for better sleep, especially for older adults. As you get older, even small imbalances in minerals like potassium and magnesium can trigger nerve misfires, bladder spasms, and muscle twitches. These are the little things that wake you up, often without warning, and leave you wondering why your body can't just stay asleep. That's where coconut water makes a difference. Unlike plain water, which offers zero electrolytes, coconut water is naturally rich in the minerals your body needs to stay calm and steady through the night, especially potassium and magnesium. These nutrients help regulate nerve signals and keep your muscles, including the bladder, relaxed. In fact, a 2017 study published in the Journal of Sleep Disorders Research found that older adults with low potassium levels were 28% more likely to experience nighttime urination and fragmented sleep. When their mineral levels were gently corrected, sleep quality improved in just 1 week. But here's the key. You need to drink coconut water the right way. Never drink it cold. Cold drinks shock your core and can actually stimulate your bladder. Instead, mix fresh coconut water with warm water at a 1-to-1 ratio and sip slowly after dinner. Not right before bed. You only need a small amount, just 100 to 120 milliliters is enough. Drinking too much or too close to bedtime may still wake you up. Also avoid coconut water if you have kidney problems or need to limit potassium. For everyone else, this drink can be a gentle way to calm the nervous system, reduce pressure on the bladder, and keep your body in balance overnight. You can even add a thin slice of ginger to help digestion and increase warmth. If you've been waking up for no clear reason, give coconut water a try for a few nights. You might find that something so simple brings the peaceful, uninterrupted sleep your body has been craving. 5. Golden milk with black pepper. If you go to bed feeling wired, even if you're not thinking about anything stressful, your body might still be carrying stress from the day. And for many seniors, that hidden tension shows up as high cortisol levels at night. Cortisol is the body's main stress hormone. It's supposed to drop at bedtime so you can relax and fall asleep. But after 60, your system doesn't always shut down the way it used to. Your brain stays a little too alert, your heart rate doesn't fully slow, and melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep, has trouble kicking in. That's why so many older adults lie awake for hours without really knowing why. But here's something that can truly help. A small cup of warm golden milk with a pinch of black pepper. Golden milk is made with turmeric, a bright yellow spice that contains curcumin, one of the most powerful natural ingredients for calming the brain. Curcumin has been shown to gently lower cortisol levels and help the brain shift out of fight-or-flight mode. It supports the HPA axis, the part of your brain and adrenal system that regulates stress. And when this area is calm, your whole body feels safe enough to rest. The black pepper might sound odd, but it's actually essential. It helps your body absorb curcumin up to 7 times better. When mixed with a warm, non-dairy milk like almond or oat milk, this drink becomes more than just soothing. It becomes an actual signal to your nervous system that it's okay to let go. A 2019 study published in Phytotherapy Research found that adults who took curcumin at night saw their cortisol levels drop by 23% on average, and their sleep quality improved significantly within just a few weeks. To make it, mix half a teaspoon of turmeric and a tiny pinch of black pepper into about 150 ml of warm milk. Drink it slowly about an hour before bed. Don't drink it on an empty stomach, and don't make it too strong. This isn't just about sleep, it's also about recovery. Golden milk can ease joint pain, reduce inflammation, and help your body heal during the night. If you've ever gone to bed feeling stressed, sore, or tense, this might be the nighttime ritual that finally gives your body the peace it's been waiting for. 6. Warm gelatin or diluted bone broth. If you think gelatin or bone broth is only for joint health, think again. For seniors struggling with sleep, this warm, nourishing drink might be the most powerful natural sleep aid you haven't tried yet. Gelatin contains a special amino acid called glycine, which plays a huge role in helping your body relax deeply at night. Glycine lowers your heart rate, cools your core body temperature, and promotes slow brain waves. Those are the signs of true, deep, dreamless sleep. Unlike sleeping pills that force drowsiness, glycine helps your body naturally ease into restful sleep. And it doesn't stop there. Gelatin also helps your body produce collagen, which repairs muscles, skin, and joints while you rest. This is especially important after 60 when your body's ability to recover starts to slow down. Bone broth is similar. Made by simmering bones slowly, it's packed with gelatin, glycine, and other minerals that nourish your whole body. It's gentle on your stomach and keeps you hydrated through the night without flooding your bladder. A 2007 study published in Neuropsychopharmacology found that just 3 grams of glycine taken before bed helped older adults sleep more deeply, wake up fewer times, and feel noticeably more refreshed in the morning. To use gelatin, dissolve a teaspoon of unflavored powder into about 120 ml of warm water and sip it slowly 30 to 45 minutes before bed. If you prefer bone broth, choose a low-sodium version, warm it gently, and drink it on its own for the best absorption. You don't need much, but this small habit can make a huge difference if sleep has been a struggle. So if you've tried everything else, but still wake up tired, try warm gelatin or bone broth tonight. It's a simple, natural way to support your body's sleep and recovery, and after 60, that support can mean everything. You might worry about drinking anything at night because you think it will make you get up to pee. But here's the truth. If you pick the right drink, at the right time, and enjoy it the right way, you can still sleep deeply without interruptions. It's not about avoiding drinks altogether, it's about making smarter choices. Keep your drinks small, just about 100 to 150 milliliters, because a little goes a long way. Timing really matters too. Have your drink about 60 to 90 minutes before you plan to sleep. This gives your body enough time to settle and your bladder a chance to empty before bed. Choose drinks that are rich in nutrients but low in liquid volume. Things like warm almond milk or a small cup of gelatin can do wonders. Before you lie down, make it a habit to use the bathroom so your bladder is empty and ready for a long, peaceful night. And when you drink, don't rush. Sip slowly over 10 to 15 minutes, giving your body time to absorb everything without shocking your system. Don't feel like you need to try all the drinks at once. Try just one per week and see how your body responds. You don't need sleeping pills or to suffer through another restless night. Sometimes one small, simple drink can change everything. After 60, your sleep may change, but it's not the end. You absolutely can still enjoy a full night's rest and wake up feeling clear, strong, and light. So start tonight with just one drink that fits your needs, and let your body relearn the deep, peaceful sleep you deserve. If you want to learn more simple, natural ways to sleep better and feel healthier after 60, check out the next video on this channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.